For your next adventure? According to studies, 78% millennials prioritize experiences over material possessions. Here are the top 20 travel destinations for millennials in 2025.
Indonesia is an island paradise famous for its rice terraces and stunning beaches. It offers a blend of adventure and relaxation with affordable yoga retreats, cultural temples, and a laid-back vibe that attracts surfers and digital nomads. Lisbon, Portugal, known for its vibrant nightlife, rich history, and budget-friendly living, great for foodies and culture seekers. Budapest, Hungary, ideal for budget-conscious travelers, famous for its thermal baths, ruined pubs, and stunning architecture. Mexico City, Mexico, a bustling metropolis with a blend of ancient history and modern culture, renowned for its street food and vibrant art scene. Georgia, a hidden gem for wine lovers and history buffs, offering affordability, picturesque landscapes, and an emerging digital nomad scene. Thailand, popular among digital nomads for its affordable living, mountain scenery, and spiritual temples. Prague, Czech Republic, a fairy tale city with Gothic architecture, scenic bridges, and lively nightlife, affordable with great public transport. Medellin, Colombia, known as the City of Eternal Spring for its perfect weather, it offers modern amenities, innovation, and cultural hotspots at low costs. Cape Town, South Africa, a must-visit for adventure seekers. Hike Table Mountain, visit vineyards, and enjoy ocean views, all at affordable prices. Buenos Aires, Argentina, a cultural hub with European charm, ideal for tango enthusiasts, art lovers, and foodies seeking affordable gourmet options. Krakow, Poland, a city famous for its dragon-stuffed legends and beautiful medieval architecture. Japan, a captivating blend of cutting-edge technology, ancient temples, and bustling markets, a bit pricier but worth it for unique experiences. Istanbul, Turkey, a city where East meets West, known for its stunning mosques and ancient history. Croatia, this coastal Croatian city boasts ancient Roman ruins and a vibrant waterfront. Vietnam, a vibrant city with French colonial architecture, bustling streets, iconic temples, and incredible street food, very budget-friendly for immersive cultural experiences. Montenegro, this lesser-known European gem offers stunning coastlines and budget-friendly stays. South Korea, a millennial hotspot thanks to its tech-driven culture, K-pop, and diverse food scene, offers modern experiences with a historic touch. Auckland, New Zealand, a gateway to natural wonders, perfect for hikers and nature lovers with beautiful landscapes and adventure activities. Reykjavik, Iceland, known for its breathtaking landscapes like glaciers, waterfalls, and hot springs, pricier but a top pick for nature adventurers. And lastly, Peru, affordable, great food scene, rich history, and home of the majestic Machu Picchu. The world is vast, and these top destinations offer the perfect blend of adventure, culture, and unforgettable experiences for millennials in 2025. Wherever you go, travel with an open heart, immerse yourself in the local culture, and make memories that will last a lifetime.